Hello everyone, welcome to our new episode. Nature is really full of amazing plants and herbs that have many benefits. One of them has long been used in traditional Chinese and ancient Egyptian medicine. It has been used as a herb, and we can use its essential oil. Here are some scientifically supported uses for myrrh essential oil. Myrrh oil is a powerful antioxidant and even more effective than vitamin E at fighting free radicals. Myrrh oil has been used to kill harmful bacteria. According to a study, myrrh can directly kill bacteria, including some drug-resistant ones, and all dormant Lyme disease bacteria. And it can boost the production of white blood cells by the immune system, which also kill bacteria. Myrrh is also used to treat oral infections and inflammation. Several natural mouthwashes and toothpaste contain myrrh. It's used to treat mouth sores and gum inflammation. It can also be used to treat skin wounds and infections. Some test tube studies found that myrrh oil may fight microbes. It helps heal skin wounds from vaginal deliveries. Myrrh oil can relieve pain. It may also block your body's production of inflammatory chemicals that lead to swelling and pain. Some initial studies suggest that a myrrh-containing medicine may help treat some common parasites. There are some other possible benefits of myrrh oil, including sunscreen effectiveness, cancer treatment, digestive health, and mold elimination. Myrrh oil can be inhaled. Just add 3 or 4 drops of myrrh oil to a diffuser to spread the oil vapor into the surrounding air. For topical use, it's advisable to dilute myrrh oil in a carrier oil, such as jojoba or coconut oil. For oral care, it shouldn't be swallowed. If you're pregnant, have heart problems, or planning surgery, or take blood thinners or diabetes medications, you may want to limit or avoid myrrh oil.